Hey guys, hi. I know that you are very much excited for this video, but still, for me too, this is an exciting video as this is my first video of explaining a specific topic. So let's get started without any delay. So, in the Brain Booster series, we are going to discuss about some sums which you basically use in mathematics, but how to solve them in just seconds, in minds itself. So let us see that first. And in today's session we are going to look about how to multiply two numbers into two numbers easily. So that is what we are going to see today, that is multiplication. So let us see how to multiply two numbers easily with the two numbers. Right, students? So without any delay, let's get started. Now, for example, let me have a number such as 24 into 12. 24 into 12. Let me have this number. For normal multiplication, how you do basically? How you do basically, students? Tell me. First, we generally multiply these two numbers. 2 fours are, we get 2 fours are 8. And then 2 twos are 4. Again, we put 0. 1 fours are 4. 1 twos are 2. So that we get 8. And then here when we solve, you get the value 4 plus 4. You get 8 again. And again you get 2. So 288 will be your value. But what about if I say that without these steps, you can solve without pen or without paper? How is that? How is that possible, guys? With just mind itself, you can solve it. Yes, I'm going to prove that now. But for explaining you guys, let me take the same example. Okay, let me take consider the same example respectively. Okay, so when I have the same example and I have kept the name for this is that it is called as bow tie method. Bow tie method. So it is called as bow tie method. So what is bow tie? You might be familiar with bow tie, means something like it's generally worn by a gents in party wear, etc. Right? So that is what called as bow tie. So let me have the same number, that is we have 24 into 12. Let me explain without any steps so that I have just put this two dots such that without any of these steps we can just solve in this. Right, students? Yes. First, you're going to multiply these two numbers. You're going to multiply these two numbers. How to multiply these two numbers? Well, see, first number multiply with this number. So we are going to start up from here. 4 twos are 8. Write that over here. Directly you need to write. 4 twos are 8. It works everywhere. Okay. 4 twos are 8. Multiply these two numbers. 4 twos are 8. Now, you're going to cross multiply like this, like this. You're going to cross multiply like this. With this number, this number, this number, this number. So 2 twos are, we get 4. 4 ones are 4. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So here we have 4 plus 4. We get 8. 4 plus 4, 8. So you need to just multiply these two, and you need to add those resultant values. So 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4. I'm just cross multiplying. And then I'm going to add that. So I'm getting 8. Write that also. Next again I'm going to multiply these two numbers. That is 2 ones are 2. Look at this valve and this valve. See students, without any of these steps, okay, without any of these steps, I have just solved this sum without any steps but with a bow tie. But what is this, ma'am? Cross like this. Where is a bow tie? Well, students, when I join this, like this, like this, like this, like this, here you got a bow tie. Here you got a bow tie. Amazing, right? Yes. Now let us solve some more examples and let me show you how it works. So let me solve it in just 5 seconds. Let me have a number. Okay, let me have a number. But the number which I'm not going to take. But using the dice, I'm going to solve it. Okay? Yes. So you may have a doubt, but here I'm going to take by you itself. Okay? Like a live session, I'm going to show you how it works basically. Okay? I'm not taking my own number. See here? Now the value. Let me have shown the value. Here the value is 4. I hope you can see here it is 4. Right? 4. So let me write the 4 over here. 4. And then I'm going to again roll down. Okay? Here I'm valuing the value as 2. Let's write it off. Multiplied by again 4. This is 3. Okay, this is 3. Fine. Oh my god, very difficult number. See, let me solve it in just 5 seconds, okay? You can have your timeout on your screen. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 12, and then we have 4 2s are 8, so we have 20. So 2, 0, and then 4 4s are 16, right? 4 4s are 16, and then we have 18. So here we have the number in just 5 seconds. That is 1806, right? How I have solved this? Let me just explain, because there is a borrower also here, so that you need to understand it in a much better way, right? Yes. So first you should multiply these two numbers. That is 2 3s are we have 6, right? 2 3s are 6. And then we are going to cross multiply this. So when I cross multiply these two values, we have it as 4 3s are 12, right? 12 over here if you want. Okay, for explaining I'm writing. 4 2s are 8. So when you add them, you get the value as 20. Have 20. So keep 2 as a borrower and write 0 over here. Again you're going to multiply these two values, right? So 4 4s are, you have it as what the value? 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 1806. But if you solve it in normally case, okay, if you solve it normally, then you will have the value as, let me have a piece of paper and explain you, okay? If you have normally 42 into 43, 42 into 43 into 43, okay, 43. How do you solve this? 3 2s are 6 you have, 3 4s are 12. Again put 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. And when you just add them, you need to add, right? Yes, 6 0, you get 6 only. 2 8s are 2 plus 8, you get 10, borrower 0, and 6 7 8, 1806. Same answer, definite answer, but it takes this much of steps, but I have solved within one step. So this is all about the bow tie method. Hope you have understood it in much better way, right students? Yes. Yep. So this is called as bow tie method. This is a brain booster tip. If you practice, how much you can practice, you can do practice within a day. Okay, if you do a practice for at least a day for 1 week, then this will be familiar and it will be useful for all the classes, and in your future also you can use it, right? Yes or no? Yep. If you want to take screenshot, you can go ahead. So this is all about the thing, all about today's class. We'll meet you with another session. Until then, take care. Bye.